Hello guys, welcome to another Megaton. It's just me and Matt here, so yeah.
So far.
We'll see if another one of our friends joins to give his outside opinion, but yeah. This is going to be me going through all the MXGP and Monster Energy Supercross games that Matt has on his Steam profile. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
It is in fact all of them. I do have a handful of those.
Whoa, Milestone games. Welcome to Mud.
So what I did cook up is a few notes about this game, and then I'm going to give you some words of wisdom.
Oh dear.
So for Mud, what I have put is, there's a scrub button, and that gives you boosts. The only rider weight is forward and backward. AI in physics is very easy. No shifting or clutch. Press left bumper for energy drinks for even more boost. Alright, hold it down and go! Oh, we didn't get this started. Oh well. It's like right at the face of the jump, press A.
Whoa.
Good. There you go.
Whoa.
Perfect.
Arr.
Oh, no.
I've committed the parish. How could this happen?
Oh man.
Arr.
That was a big frame drop.
That was horrid. Oh god, I'm falling behind. That was terrible.
It's literally if you played a motorcycle game in an arcade. Don't do that.
Too bad, I will anyway.
Oh my
Jesus. Whoa. Drugs. Arr. I've cut open my suit.
Plus 2 laps to go.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Ow, my balls.
Too late.
I fell off hitting the dab. At least I'm not dead last.
Don't crash. No, don't scrub on the downhill.
Too bad I will anyway.
Wait, maybe you could get 14th. Oh, wait, oh. So close. You didn't make it!
Shut up, I did it. I don't care. It's pretty funny.
Alright, hold on.
It's a C tier game.
C tier, okay.
I've rated Mud as C tier. Alright. MXGP1, otherwise known as 2013.
Yeah. Otherwise known as MXGP, the official motocross video game.
Wow.
So my milestone notes for this game are the nasty bike sounds, easy AI, and the scrub by pushing the sticks in one direction.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Well, that was a snap.
Whoa!
Ay.
Ow!
Ow. Arr. Arr. Oh god, I got run over. Arr. It's happened again. Put a gear for the corner if I can.
Whoa!
Ow. Whee.
You missed one game so far.
That was a sneaky pass on the inside.
Whoa.
He'll be fine.
Ow! You will not be fine, however.
No, come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
No. I perished.
Ow!
Ow!
Yeah.
I've fallen and I can't get up. Why am I whipping in the wrong direction? What the fuck is wrong with me?
You're thinking of Doc Hudson's turn right to go left. Oh god, you almost did.
We have Joe Jimmy and Joe Timmy now.
Okay.
Not bad. I'd say high C tier, low B tier.
Alright.
High C tier for the first game.
Alrighty.
This is MXGP2. We've just come off the first one, so let's see if there's any noticeable changes. Matt?
There's a visual improvement, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's a bit heavier and slower. To scrub, it's the push sticks apart or together. My words of wisdom in this game are don't gas it too much in the corners, otherwise you'll slide out. Again, they kept the bike sounds the same for some reason. Ooh.
That was hard. Ooh.
Those outside berms are deadly.
Whoa, I'm in first.
It's like if you turn too much, you'll go full. That will happen.
Oh,
a lot. It happens to me a lot, so I don't know how much it will happen to you. Whoa! Take out.
Whoa. Yeah, stand up.
You took out your teammate.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Whoops. Where am I going?
Why did you turn left? The Doc Hudson did not do you well. Oh. Whoa.
Luckily, I did not go off track that time. Oh dear, Coldenhoff has crashed.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
You're 4 seconds ahead, wow.
Disclaimer, this is all uneasy because we're not actually racing. We're not actually doing something competitive in this game. Ooh! That was a nice whip.
Whoa, my god. That's why I warned you.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Wonderful faceplant.
Okay, you have like a few seconds of lead left. And then not if you do that though.
Outstanding wall ride. Parkour.
No, you're gonna lose first. Get going. You won a race. Neat. Tier list. Where do you think that one goes?
That is very high B tier.
Very high B tier.
Actually, wait, no. It's up in A tier.
A tier. All right. And now on to everyone's favorite, MXGP3. What I say for this game is the speed's a little better, and the AI is definitely harder, and you have to manually pull the scrubs back.
Whoops.
What's the shift?
I dropped the hard in a second.
Whoa!
Well, that's a very hard scrub.
Yeah, you don't want to push the sticks together while you're on the ground. You gotta wait. Oh, oh, you remembered.
Wheel.
Oh.
Where?
Maybe
Not anymore.
Found bad thing.
Ow! Oh shit!
Whoa!
That was... I overcooked the jump.
In my opinion, this game kind of feels like a facelift of a classic motocross game. Like,
Hey!
It is, to be honest.
Ethan, we need the outside opinion. How do you feel?
Yep. That's a bike.
that's a motorbike if I've ever seen one.
That sure is one of the most motorbike bikes I've ever motorbiked. The bike is motorbike.
Whoa. I can't even tell if these are the 4 strokes or the 2 strokes.
I believe you're on... I think you're on a 450, so it's a 4-stroke.
Oh well.
Goat.
I'm like, Wow.
Oh no, every time I see you flying up for the finish, all I can imagine is just you bashing your head on the fucking finish line.
All you'll see is just... That is... A tier as well. Alright, now we're on to Monster Energy Supercross.
Familiar territory for you.
Indeed. Ethan, what do you feel about the Monster Energy?
Is it the white one?
No, it is the black one. Did I do it? Too bad, racist. Yeah, soapy and bouncy, easy and very stiff AI. Yeah.
Playing online, it's even stiffer because their bodies don't move.
They're just like...
I have video proof. I recommend in the whoop section, just shift to 5th, and because you'll speed all the way through.
Like the notes say here, you can blitz them. Yeah. Too bad, I'm doing a burnout.
You will probably laugh at the crashing, because the ragdolls will go everywhere.
Oh yeah, yeah. Already we're up to a chaotic. Wee.
Oh god! He's gone! He died! Oh my god. You win!
There we go. I don't know, I'll accept you.
That's probably the best part of this game.
I don't want to say this because, but S tier.
Alright.
Our
first S tier.
Before we go, let's pull up that
Yeah,
recording.
give it here a really, really good
recording.
You want to see the...
Because
so they can see the...
so they can see the ragdoll. Oh. Watch this. Watch this, Gasper. Yeah.
Oh my god!
3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
Spinning
Go
off.
into space, bro. NASA over here.
Spinning. Alright, we're on to the next one.
Now this is MXGP Pro. Lots of people hate this game. It's mostly because of the pro physics, I would have to imagine. There's no like scrub limit like in Supercross, so you don't want to jump or fishtail at all.
He's bad at fighting.
For some reason this...
Oh
my god.
Oh my Jesus! I bet you in real life, some riders would be knocked off their bikes.
They would go through that, actually, in real life.
Wow.
If you overjump one of these, I'll yell, whoa.
Ow! Oh, that was a slide, so that doesn't count.
There's 20th.
No, it does not.
That's what I was talking about. Who's right over your butt? Oh no!
That's no point.
Oh no!
Ow!
You need me to get you out of there?
I think it's fixed in every single.
There we go.
No! No!
I got this, bro.
Hey,
Don't,
my
don't.
balls!
Don't got it.
That's what I was warning you about. Oh!
Ow!
Oh my god.
Go backwards.
That was an amazing wheelie donut.
Or do you want to do 360 no?
Screw it, why not? Cowabunga, bitch!
Wait, oh, wait, I don't know why that happened. Usually it wouldn't do that.
Maybe because of
Ooh.
Ow!
Whoa. Whoa.
Ow.
What happened there?
I think the rear dug in hard.
No!
Hey!
Ah.
Ow! Ow, my spine!
Oh no!
Ow! Ow!
Oh,
There you
hey,
go.
You get a left.
Oh!
You fall on that?
Oh, well.
Oh, you gotta kill someone.
Still, 360 no scope.
Yeah, I highly doubt you'll buy this game with your own money. Oh my god, they were close.
Will.
Alright.
Sad to say, D.
D. Not as good. Alright.
Because, like, you know, that strict landing procedure.
Stand.
Whoa, 2019.
2019.
Yeah, I saw you had that. Yeah.
What I said for this game is that there's some silly animations when you case a jump. The scrubs are a lot slower. The game feels a little bit slower, and then this is the game that introduced some more celebrations, including the dab.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah, you can't blitz the
Superman!
Like I said, you cannot exactly blitz the whoops in this game.
Oh, that's very bad understeer.
Pretty sure you were gassing it all the way through. Oh god.
Go!
Indonesia.
Oh! Wasted. I mean,
Oh god.
Well, I understand his full caliber. The
You got
reputation
him.
is that they're. But the later ones kind of begin to falter or something.
Someone beefed it over there.
outstanding.
Outstanding.
Lean back in the whoops. Maybe I should have told you that earlier.
Hey!
Okay. Never mind.
He's gone!
I forgot you're going way too slow. Oh god, no. Oh, no. No!
Ow! Showtime! Okay.
Alright, it is there.
I'd say the first B tier.
First B tier? Alright.
It's like, sure, it's decent, but
Too slow?
too slow paced.
Alright. Alright. Now onto MXGP 2019.
Oh boy.
More soapy than a slip and slide. Camera movement, it makes the physics feel kind of strange, which also kind of makes the air not feel like it's there.
Gee, I wonder why. That was such a sluggish getaway. I can do this.
Whoa!
Ooh. Wham, first. Ethan, how do you feel? First. What? Whoa! That was disgusting. Wonderful. No me en tres. Wham, back in first.
Oh god.
I'm scaring you with these.
I guess I can.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ow. I'll settle for third. Yeah!
Yeah!
We're just assuming you landed that safely.
There it is. It's B tier.
B tier. Alright.
Supercross 3.
And this is the one with the new physics and slightly more free scrubs, as some people would say. Very difficult to get used to, and also bouncy. Oh! Good timing there. I don't know why my helmet's white.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh! Whoa! See what I mean?
Yeah, he'll be fine. In doing so, I fucked over the both of us. Oh, Jesus! Well, thank you for the Mario bounce. The Goomba stomp.
Oh, no!
Oh, Jesus.
Brutal.
These whoops are very much... Oh, Jesus.
Tried to do the lean back thing and, like...
Oh,
Also safety as
well, there goes Lopez.
Oh.
Outstanding head ride.
Whoa.
Ow.
Oh, you landed that.
Somehow.
Good! It says.
This is just Mario bouncing.
Oh.
Ow. Ow.
I was trying to... Whoa! I can just hear the rev limiter because you're...
I feel like Nick.
Oh.
Ow, my balls.
Don't do that.
I feel like Nicholas Latifi every time he got in that Williams. To all you F1 fans out there, you know what I mean.
14 seconds behind.
Oh well. Yeah.
Alright.
Where did you?
It's right there.
That's a low D tier, honestly.
Yeah. The new physics weren't nice to you.
Very unpolite.
I think this is the game where the physics will grow on you. My notes for this game are the very good first person and it being super wide open. Scrubs are pretty good. Motion blur settings do nothing. I showed you a little bit of this game and you said, this bike throws it back like one of those girls on Cuties.
Oh shit. Ayo. Whoa. From the extreme inside, I have already made up 5 positions. Outstanding. Ow. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Ow. Whoa. Ooh. Outstanding. Oh.
You have another lap.
Whoa. Hey. I'll be honest. Bottom of the D tier.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Here's probably the most broken one in all of them.
Let's see which one are you on?
This is 4. Very nice whole shot.
I'm just poking the defense. Whoa. Oh Jesus!
My God. Oh, that's what I was talking about.
Jesus Christ! There it is again. Oh Jesus!
Oh man.
Oh! Ow! My leg! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Jesus Christ. Hey, so those are gears.
Oh! Hey!
Damn, you just ate shit.
I ate shit into a fucking sponsor. A fucking sponsor thing.
A sponsor brick.
This is the man that was talking about the down bad characters in that anime.
Yes. It was me, Barry. I was the one who said that Kaguya was down hard.
I thought the blonde dude was down. Oh, you're even worse. You, lady. Woman, you are down bad. Behind that rich snobby attitude, you want that dick.
Whoa. Oh man, that Monster Energy Brock is never gonna be the same after that one. Oh my. I need to find some really long, flat, like, plane.
Oh shit!
Like a parking lot or something. So I can ride my bike on that thing. Do a cartwheel on a motorcycle, that's not something you want to do.
Wow! Cycling racist. This one?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
Oh well.
It's kind of
very popular, or well, cold take rather.
Well, this is the final MXGP game.
Yeah.
Ethan, look at this name.
Bikey.
No, this one.
Bumbleduck Biker.
All right.
We don't qualify here.
Who needs qualifying?
Ooh.
Oh god. Oh, you survived.
Wee. Oh Jesus! Ow! Oh!
Whoa.
Ow! Ew!
Are there too many things going? Oh my god! That's a tank slapper.
That is a very massive tank slapper.
Oh, that's a cut track.
Whoopsie.
Oh.
Ew! Oh
Ah.
Jesus!
I look away for 1 second. Oh. Couldn't tell if you clutched there, but that was a good turn.
I hit the clutch.
Good.
Oh, shit. Oh, there goes my bike.
You forgot to pull back the oppo.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, hey. I just A-posed against the fucking sponsor.
Oh. Oh yeah, this is also the game with the... This reminds me.
Oh!
This reminds me. Oh!
What do you mean by distress?
This reminds me. Oh my god. Oh. That's an unreleased video.
Oh shit!
I have to rewatch all of the dirt.
Stop! Hey! Oh god. Oh Jesus!
Whoa.
Very etchy sketchy. Oh shit! That was even more etchy.
Oh.
3,
3,
2, 3, 2, and
That's not a number.
delivery.
That's not a number. That's not a number. I guess the number N.
and the letter 3. I say between these two.
All right. Not bad. For 5, it's a bit of a change from 4, so it's stiff yet bouncy, kind of difficult to turn, and the tracks are kind of wide. Alright, here we go. Did not time that well. Recording. I also look at my name.
Oh, whoa, whoa. That was very sketcy.
Oh no! Jesus!
Ow! My dick!
Oh!
Oh!
Take the lead.
I shall ride upon the Zeus sand.
I shall ride upon this hand of Zeus and get the fear of God put back into me. Like right now. Drive, boy.
Into the sky! Oh.
Just wait until you play 6.
Oh god. I'm dreading 6 now.
Anthony, it's phony.
Oh!
In turn.
Oh!
No! You've watched that every single... Look what you've done.
Oh! Ow!
Oh!
Oh! Hey!
No!
Kill him.
No.
Oh, shoot him. Oh! I think you might have made it. Oh, wait, no you didn't. No you didn't.
I say low B tier.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was actually kind of decent for you.
Yeah.
This is Supercross 6, the latest one in the series, and also very badly released. Brain dead easy AI.
Please update motive.
Please, Milestone, recognize the problem. The Discord's spamming you. It's even bouncier and stiffer. And you turn even less. Here we go.
Up here. Hey! Get up back on. Fuck, this is ridiculously piss easy.
Maybe I should have left it unrealistic. This is also the track where I got that funny clip of 2 people falling and then I fall right after them.
I ride a bike, I don't ride a motorcycle. Why don't you call it a motorcycle?
Whoa! Oh shit! Ow! That was...
He like locked out all those drugs before he fell.
First I was manipulating the bike, but now it's fucking me over.
The bike manipulates you.
Ow! Outstanding.
Your first name, first letter is lowercase.
Oh!
That's gonna be a foul.
That was right on my head.
Whoop.
I...
Oh!
Oh, I took too much Monster Energy, but also very no bueno. Oh shit.
I noted that. It feels...
Oh!
It feels stiff in the game, too.
This is like, I wrote, the last game was like if I wrote like a good essay, right?
Yeah.
Like I read like a fanfic. And then I put it up. And then some guy always tries to write a fanfic about my fanfic. And they're like 5.
Yeah,
It's
the
like
shadows were like kind of way too.
They're like
way too long.
They're way too soft too. Like what the fuck?
Whoa, the shadows. Were
Wow!
You almost got 20th.
Motor Michael.
we should have
What are more
hunted
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's low tier shit.
Yeah, that's...
That should have its
Fix
own tier at
that.
the bottom.
Alright.
That should be like.
I'm pretty sure they
below
sent
us.
out like one patch and it doesn't even like do the big things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
like, there's like 40 things the last game did better, and that's always a bad thing.
Yeah. And
It's the same premise as DMC 1 to DMC 2.
Yeah.
If like your next game is like way worse than the first than the last one, you've taken a step in the wrong
It's
direction.
like a better example. It's like Fallout 4 story-wise compared to Fallout New Vegas. Because like New Vegas was the only Fallout content we had for like a long while.
Yeah. Then
And then
Fallout
it's-
4 comes around.
Fallout 4 comes out, and it granted it fixed a lot of gameplay, but it was a far cry in terms of like story and everything. It limited everything. It freaking ran worse than a game that was on freaking like what was it on? It was on Gamebryo.
Okay. And the worst thing is Supercross 5 is not a good game.
Yeah.
It's like it's like a worse version of Supercross 5, and like 5 was not good already.
Yeah.
So there's a problem. If it looks bad to a person who's never played the games before, you have a problem, man.
All in all, some good games, some bad, some are okay. I'll just say this, Milestone, please, for the love of God, fucking make adjustments for the next time you make another game, because otherwise, you're gonna get some F tiers like the 2 games I put down here.
Back when you started the series, you actually listened to a lot of things. Like, once you reached about 4, it's pretty much you were kind of just filling out your contract.
Yeah.
It felt like milk. It feels like you're milking it.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.